Hello, everyone. A very good evening to everyone present here. I, Mrs. Nirupama Bafna, on behalf of the Evolving Minds Preschool, welcome you all to our webinar on a paradigm shift in education. The sole purpose of this webinar is to lay the guidelines for parents while their kids are taking online schooling, which has now become the new normal, thus creating a paradigm shift in education. As we all battle the worldwide coronavirus outbreak, the education sector has seen a huge change just across the other sectors of the economy, while we will see in the near future. Children across the world are being tutored via e-learning with daily classes and online school programs. In the current challenging times, we at the Evolving Minds Preschool have ensured that our evolvers do not stop learning. We took this lockdown as an opportunity and initiated the online classes in the month of April itself for 15 to 20 days. It was a wonderful experience, not only for our mentors, but also for our evolvers, for our tiny evolvers, as they could socially and emotionally connect with each other as abruptly the schools have closed down at the time when they were missing the mentors, the school, and their friends so much. It was a golden opportunity for our TM mentors, parents, and evolvers to explore the new learning. Now, with time, we all have learned that virtual classes are only the safest means of education for children for many more months to come. And we don't know for how much time more. So, all parents are getting adaptable to this new normal and are welcoming the online schooling as the only option available. But they have some questions regarding the screen time of the child. They are worried that how much screen time should we give? Should we have, the balanced screen time? Should we have the unattended screen time? So for these kind of questions and queries, it has made us bring to you this webinar in which all the queries and doubts of parents can be solved by renowned child psychologist of India, Dr. Nidhi Navinder. And she's a very good friend of mine, very close to my heart. So I'm privileged to welcome you, Dr. Nidhi. Ma'am is a child developmental and rehabilitation psychologist, and she has done her PhD in parenting. She has been practicing as psychologist since 2006. She has formed a company called Higher Quotients, HiQ, to develop IQ, EQ, and SQ in children. Of course, I Can is a program for academic and behavior development. She is associated with many schools also and is also on the panel. The Women of Excellence for her contribution in her field as well as upliftment of women in Aurangabad. She has also been nominated as the top 10 professionals in Maharashtra by Maheshwari Professional Forum, Pune. She had also been interviewed. I mean to say the list is not ending, Nidhi ma'am, and featured in Femina, the most popular magazine of India for her achievements. And for this, we share the same platform. A hardcore believer in psychology, she inculcates whatever she learns in her life and has fantastic hands-on experience with her two amazing daughters. Nidhi ma'am, a renowned child psychologist, to assist and guide us more about the virtual classes and its impact on the children. We have her here on board to solve all the queries for our parents. So Nidhi ma'am, we welcome you on this TM webinar, a paradigm shift in education. Ma'am, our TM parents have always been very, very cooperative, supportive, and adaptive. And they have supported us in our venture of online schooling as well as, we have been coming across with few concerns of parents as this new normal has come in. which I feel you, as a child psychologist, are the right person to guide us correctly on lot of issues. So, ma'am, here I will start you the list of questions which our parents have asked us regarding the online schooling. Are you there, Nidhi, ma'am?
Yes, yes, Nirupama ma'am, I'm here. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. So, ma'am, my first question to you is, ma'am, how much parental guidance is necessary for a child while having a screen time? Over to you, Nidhi, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Nirupama. Let me first thank you. I still remember whenever we talk professionally, how we started with our careers together. And
Yes.
starting with our careers together and even sharing the same femina interview together was, I think, a cherry on the cake. So thank you. Yes, I'll definitely answer this question. Parental guidance, how much is it needed? I will go a little with Hindi also and with English. I think it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Perfect.
Now, there's this analogy that always comes in my mind because since this lockdown started, I think everybody started talking about online schooling. And I think it's all about adaptation, right? It's the biggest adaptation. I think every field, every field is planning for the same, be it a tourism industry, be it engineering, be it the IT industry. Everybody is going through a revolution, and obviously education has to go with it, so it's going to be very natural. Now it's just like, when you take an admission to a school for the child. Initially every parent is skeptical. I think every parent will not, immediately go and decide on a school. They will take rounds to different schools, understand what is good, what is bad, feel from inside, is the school safe for my child, am I getting the connect, and then they take the admissions. And taking the admissions is not enough. Later on they are all, scared ki it's my mere bacche ka first day or hai school ka. So I hope the child is settled down, I hope everything is fine. And जब वो बच्चा रोता है और हमें वो अपना मन कड़क करके उनको भेजना पड़ता है, it's very difficult for the parents. And the teachers, they are helping us every time. So it is exactly the same thing. It's just that हमारा बच्चे का पहला स्कूल जो पहला दिन जो था स्कूल का, I think it's going to be the same with the online classes. So it's the first online class, so everybody is scared about it. How is it going to be? How children are going to respond to it? But again and again, I keep on telling that children are still easily adaptive because they are okay with everything. They are in this ongoing process as a developmental psychologist. Every stage has their own milestones. So the children are still till the age of 13 trying to adapt to the different environment. They adapt to every new stage. So being from first standard going to the second standard is also a kind of adaptation. So we are pushing our children already into adaptation every year with the new set of friends, with the new set of teachers. Similarly, the whole lot is going to go through the same thing. That is the online thing. Now let me compare it to another analogy. जब हम बच्चे को कोई हॉस्टल में डालते हैं, right? So hostel में डालते ही we don't, drop the child and just come back unless until we are sure the child has adapted to the situation. Now the food is good, the home is fine. उसके बाद ही हम hostel का छोड़ करके we come back. It's exactly the same thing. Online में बच्चों को adapt करने तक we have to be there. We cannot just say that online classes are not going to help, they're not going to work. Or we all, definitely we all have been talking about screen time is bad, but there is no option left. We all are referring, the big Google people are also doing the same thing, they're working from home. So everybody is working from home. It's just that I think it's a skill upgrade for the children, for the parents. In fact, once you go through it, we will all realize that there might be many things that are good coming out. So yes, parents need to be with the child till the child has adjusted to it. We cannot just ask the child to sit in front of the screen and keep on hammering on the keep on hammering. We need to be at the side as a catalyst. We don't need to be a helicopter parent, hovering upon the child, but we need an adaptive parent as well. The children adapt easily, but the parents' adaptation is also important. How much to get involved is also important. So, yes, we need to be with the child till we are comfortable. And I think the mother's heart is the best heart, where the mother can understand, yes, now my child has adapted, to the teacher, and I can be now, a little go back, and just, a little help later would be required.
That was so insightful, ma'am. I hope this would clear all the confusion of in parents' mind. And I think the parents have to take it very normal, these virtual classes also, and the parents have to guide them through this. I was just thinking, Nidhi ma'am, that how adventurous it would be for especially a 2-year-old whose first day is through online, how amazing it would be when he grows up and he tells these stories that, our first day was online. Isn't it just wonderful? So I think if we
we
take this as
we are
positive,
creating history. Yes, we are
yes.
creating history. Yes.
So we are creating history. So thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am, for this insightful message to parents. So, ma'am, now my next question is, what is balanced screen time? And how important it is to have a balanced screen time for kids? Like a lot of parents, give mobile to the kids if they don't eat also. So what is exactly balanced screen time, ma'am?
See, balancing in everything is important. If we are unable to balance the screen time, definitely it's going to affect the child physically and mentally as well. Now that the one thing that I would like to share is, definitely whenever you're giving the screen time to the child, there's now an available I'm not very tech savvy, but then there's this blue light filter in a lot of mobiles. So I would recommend all the parents to use the blue light filter, because the blue light that is really affecting the eyes will, pacify the effect, definitely. Second thing I would like to talk is, make the background white rather than black, because the contrast thing would again affect the child's eyes. So these two things, if we take care with the mobile, that is important. The other thing is, definitely, it's our runway a mechanism that we give the child the mobile according to our whims and fancies. I want to cook, please don't disturb, go on the mobile. Now this is not going to work, because right now everything already is going to be online. So we have to cut down that extra time, and for that I would say, before the online training starts, let the child get adapted, make yourself adapted to it, to balance to the mobile time. So if you're giving, probably, food the food time is with the mobile time, prepare the child right from today कि बच्चा कल से मोबाइल नहीं मिलने वाला है खाना खाते समय, and you will have to we will not you, as a psychologist I always say that you need to use the words correctly. So you have to prepare the child's mind that from tomorrow खाते समय आपको मोबाइल नहीं मिलने वाला है. So once the child is prepared, you will be amazed to see how the children adapt to everything that you put forward in the child. I have a 4-year-old, and she had a habit of late that she would jump around like a monkey and have her food. So just 2 days back I told her ki, Mihika, you need to sit in one place and sit with us, we would really love it. And just one day of a little bit of hammering, and she was all fine. Since yesterday she is having food with us without any any diversions. So it's all up to us how we adapt to the thing. So we have to definitely balance the screen time, the play time. I still don't understand the concept of games on mobile. It hammers any child's capacity of the memory. I have seen that change in my daughter who's 12 years old. So it's very easy for me now to tell her that, Pacha, when you are online, how it affects. Within a day, it affects. I don't know how parents can go through days and give the mobile to the children for the games and things like that. I really wonder, because I think the recent online workshop that I had done on creativity, my punchline was let the children get bored and let them learn something new, because that's where the creativity comes up. So you will be amazed that this lockdown might give you amazing, beautiful results in your child. So, yes, balancing by cutting down the unnecessary mobile time, making yourself more available with the fun time, have pillow fights, enjoy, dance together, and that is so beautiful. I think you really don't even need yoga lessons if you really give that quality time with your child. So yes, I think that would help.
That is so truly said. I mean to say that it's just a matter of how parents, get adapted to these things and how you train your brain and how you convert the screen time now into the positive screen time, wherein you make the screen as your mentor and not, just see the screen randomly. So addiction happens only when the senseless content is there in the loop. So that is fantastically said, Nidhi ma'am. Thank you so much. My next
Thank you.
question to it is for our viewers that they can put the questions in the chat box and we can take them up later. So my
Yes,
next question to you is that, Nidhi ma'am, in this lockdown, we all have become couch potatoes, like sleeping late and then getting up late, and our routine
yes.
has got disturbed totally. So, how would you describe the importance of having discipline in the kid's life and what parents can do to instill this? This question is not only for the tiny toddlers but for the teenagers as well. So, yes, ma'am.
I think Nirupama ma'am, it's for me and you as well, because I think the schedules have all gone off the shoot, and I don't think we all are actually planning things properly. Most of us. Uh, a simple, again, I love to get into the live examples, uh, the dialogues that we speak with each other. In the summers we keep on talking कि my god schedule तो अपना पूरा बिगड़ गया है, एक बार स्कूल शुरू हो जाए, things will be fine. We all look forward to a scheduled time, even in every kind of a holiday, be it a Diwali holiday, be it a December holiday, or be it the summer holidays. We all look up to it unconsciously. So we all are aware. We need not even mention how much important is the planning, the scheduling. But yes, now it's going to be difficult, because earlier the parents used to depend on the school timings कि बच्चा चला जाएगा और मेरा schedule proper time पे हो जाएगा. Now that burden is definitely on the parents. So now they have to, see to it that the routine is going on just as the school used to help with it. So the child has to get up on time. Virtually think of getting ready. You can actually tell, "Arey, school jana hai, chalo." What I did was, during the lockdown, the space that I was studying, I mentioned there that space as Dr. Nidhi's clinic area. So you can mention that probably in the home itself, that particular place is your school part. So you can say, "Utho, school ki area mein jana hai." So the child would also definitely love it, and that's the way the day of the starting of the day can be done. And then definitely you have to what you have to work. Everything is here. You just need to think कि school normal है, but वो school हमारे घर पे है, rather than we going there. So everything is
Exactly.
in front of you. I think this is a positive way where you can see the teachers interact. You can learn so much of things from the teachers, which you always looked up to. Ma'am, आप कैसे handle करते हो? I think that will be a live example for the parents कि देखो ऑनलाइन में भी रह करके हमारे ये great teachers all over the world, they are handling the children online as well. So hats off to everybody who's going online and taking so much of efforts to make it more interactive and joyful.
Thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am. That is so correctly said that action speaks louder than words. I think I can sum it that way. So, as parents, it's our responsibility to model the life we want for kids. Research have suggested that parents who encourage the routine and the structure in the child's life, typically they will have the kids that are more confident and well adjusted than the unstructured peers. So, it's high time up that we come out of this COVID mania and
Yes,
start
yes.
a discipline and a routine lifestyle and start with the schooling of the child, whether it is online also. Let us start. Now it's high time up. So thank you very much, Nidhi ma'am, for that.
I think Nirupama ma'am, the kids are demanding more of the online classes now. Kab shuru
Yeah.
honge classes is what is happening at home
Ma'am,
also.
let me tell you, like Nath Valley School was taking these online classes for a month, and I was so happy that my son Jay is, very, very creatively busy.
Right,
And
right,
month holiday, and he's suddenly, he's little lost, and then he'll do his little of the assessments and
right. I know.
but that online classes was really really helping him, and I hope that would have been same for our tiny evolvers also of the
Yes,
evolving minds.
definitely, definitely.
When we were taking the online schooling, all the kids used to get ready and come in front of the camera and hello ma'am, and they were so excited to see the ma'am.
I,
So
I know.
at least because of that, they were having, breakfast on time, getting ready on time, and coming in front of the screen, and everything was going
Yes,
normally. So now, when we plan to start from 1st of June, I hope that again the routine will start. So waiting for that. Yes, ma'am.
definitely. Thanks to you. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question to you is how parents can chalk out an engaging and productive schedule with the kids? Because right now, the kids are going little hayway. So, how engaging the screen time and not even the screen time, how engaging they can be with the kids?
I think the answer is in the question itself. We need to engage with the children. So, what I would prefer doing with my children, thankfully, to set an example, I have a 4-year-old and I have a 12-year-old. So, what I will do is definitely, we think the younger ones don't understand, but they do understand a lot. So, just don't worry about how much they're gonna understand. आपको बिल्कुल सोचना नहीं है कि ये छोटा है ये नहीं समझेगा दैट्स द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक दैट द पेरेंट्स वी डू कि बच्चे को अभी नहीं समझता है बाद में समझ जाएगा so engage your child completely कि we are gonna start with the school you tell me what can be done आप क्या करोगे first let it come from the children the problem is that we as parents always want to dominate children ये होने वाला है वो होने वाला है ऐसा होने वाला है ऐसा होने वाला है whereas at a certain I think this age where the preschoolers are they are looking forward कि मुझे मेरे मम्मी पापा के अलावा किसी और के चेहरे देखने हैं so they are looking forward कि अरे कुछ तो नया हो so hats off to the teachers they are going leaps and bounds to change their skills to make it interactive so what you just need to do is I think the parents need to excite the children up कि something new gonna happen what earlier we used to say कि आप जब बच्चा घर पे आता है और बोलते क्या homework है with that big tension wala face and then talking about it so let's just stop talking about online classes negatively at home rather than that show the excitement wow the teacher's gonna come online and we're gonna have a blast you're gonna see all your friends on the computer or the mobile it's gonna be so fun फिर मैम कुछ दिखाएंगे और करेंगे so once you pep them up they are absolutely prepared they are born to adjust we make them weak by putting our thoughts on them so just engage with them and understand and plan definitely the younger ones will not understand the timing पर स्कूल के बाद हम ये करेंगे उसके बाद हम ये करेंगे and then we'll have this time together I think this is the time where we have learned so much to interact. I'm sure there have been many people who have discovered different personalities in each other. So that's where the everything lies. And once the child has that sense of belonging, कि ये मैंने किया है, he would love doing it. जल्दी से वो अपने ही rules नहीं break करेगा. He will understand the responsibility of it that I have made the schedule and I need to come up with it.
That is like superb. The answer, the way you have put it up, as you were saying that don't talk about negative about any online classes or any online schooling. As me, as the director and the principal, and I was just, looking into everything, how the online classes have to be conducted. Believe me, Nidhi ma'am, like the teachers were, they were so hardworking and they're ready to come, like become
Definitely.
anything for the kids, to get the kids engaged and to get them productive anyhow, so that their interest level remains there. And that was just fantastic and superb, the way they have brought up. In fact, the teachers are putting up a separate school at their home also. So it is
Yes.
not easy. In spite of doing their household chores, when the maids are not coming, you have to finish all the work, and then you have to get
Yes.
back to school, and then you have to again get back to lunch, and then get back to, and then in the evening you are planning your next lesson plan. So I think parents, it's high time up when we talk positive about what is happening and what efforts we can see from everyone's side, and keep the kids engaged in a super productive way. That's what we can do, I mean to say. Thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am. Nidhi ma'am, there is one question regarding, like, in connection with this only. There are a lot of times when parents say कि ये मेरी बात तो सुनता ही नहीं है, मैम आपकी बात कैसे सुन लेता है इतनी? So what is behind the tendency of the kids for following their mentors and teachers more than their parents? Abhi, jaise we were taking these online classes and parents were having a tough time, making the kids sit and do a small activity also, wherein they were asking us कि मैम आप कैसे करवाते हो?
I know,
So
I know. Let me share this my own example. I keep on saying that as a child psychologist, even I experience the same thing, and even I take help of my teachers when I need to communicate something to my children, because I know कि कभी कभी हमारा बोला हुआ बच्चे नहीं सुनने वाले हैं. So sometimes it's better, the right person speaks about it. It is definitely because I swear, I let me share my past experience again. I have taught for the preschools before I got married. And trust me, the amount of hard work it takes, that very moment I decided I'm not never gonna open a preschool. It's the most difficult job that I have ever experienced in my life. So it is, I think it should go naturally. वो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, वो कनेक्ट तो बनना ही है बॉस, वो कनेक्ट बनना ही है. They I have counseled teachers, I have counseled principals, where principals have come up and said कि Nidhi, we are so upset that our frustration goes on our children, it passes on our children. And when we go to the psychology of that, the amount of patience, the amount of positive energy we put in the schools, I think it drains you all out completely. So when the teachers and the principals are and directors like you are back home, I'm sure it's like, oh my god, kya din tha. Every day is like that. So what amount of the love, the feelings, the patience, the integrity, the love, the expression that the teachers are giving to the children, I think it's bound कि उनको वो प्यार तो मिलना ही है. So definitely they look up to the quality time, the loving time, the lot of less of negative comments that comes from the teachers. They are so well trained. We are all taking care of our children so much, and especially the preschool nurseries. It's always about nurturing like a small plant. So every teacher is so drained out. It's very simple. हम हमारे घर में एक बच्चा नहीं संभाल सकते हैं, ये टीचर्स एक क्लास में इतने सारे बच्चे संभालते हैं. So hats off to them, and I think they deserve that love. So it has to come naturally.
thank you so much, Nidhi ma'am. In fact, this has become a routine. When we don't see the kids for a day also, no, like for me, my head will start aching and my body will start aching, and that's today school is not there. Though I don't know how I have, these 2 months have passed without the kids and without the school.
Yes.
But that feeling of love with the kids has been instilled in, I think, all the teachers around and all the preschoolers. So maybe that is the reason that kids tend to listen to us more than the parents.
Yes,
Maybe
definitely.
one more point I like to add here, that maybe we don't maybe nag as to do what parents do.
Yeah,
So
that's what I said. Negativity नहीं होती है.
yes, and we respect them, and we we handle them as a mature human being. So maybe
Yes.
that. So that was this.
Lot of respect is involved. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So my next question is, ma'am, just a thought in my mind came that what will happen if the kids does not receive any proper guidance and are left on their own sluggish schedule, wherein we don't know whether the schools are going to open for these 3 months, 6 months, or like when are they going to reopen? Maybe 2 years, maybe 1 year, or 6 months. So what next for the kids? What will happen, ma'am?
Um, Definitely, if you leave a plant without a fertilizer, without the water, without the sunlight, what will happen to the plant? It's gonna die. It's not gonna give the fruits that are expected. It might lose its color. It might look weak. It might not grow the taller that it could have grown if we have would have put the fertilizer. It's very simple. So I think without the main ingredients to grow, if it's not there, I don't think we can imagine a world like that.
I think that's exactly what I was also thinking, that it's very important to have a mentor who can sow a healthy seed in their childhood and which will grow
Yeah.
into a mature tree later on. So that
Yes,
was
definitely.
in my mind also. And experts have quoted and proved that when too much left on their own, children will lose control over their impulses. And
Of course, of course.
it's high time for us to decide whether we want our child to survive or thrive. So
Correct.
it's
Absolutely.
it's our decision. So, Nidhi
Yes.
ma'am, my last question is from a parent, and it is for parents. That how patient and calm a parent needs to be while making their kids familiar with the online new normal schooling of today.
Yes, I think that there we need to have a beautiful connect between the parent and the teacher. It's very important because we don't want extreme worlds happening in front of the camera. You know, extreme worlds is where we talk about parenting may we talk about extreme parenting as well, where we are hovering on the child. वो भी नहीं करना है. You don't need to be a helicopter parent. Like agar wo with the especially with the younger ones, if the teacher is trying to interact with the child and the child is not in a mood probably to understand or to immediately answer, we cannot as a parent I don't think we should be behind the child ki are answer bol. That anxiety that develops in the parent should not be there, because your child's it's not an exam, it's just a class. Nirupama ma'am, we are doing online classes for special children, and you have no idea the beauty that we see, the way children respond and the way the parents are supporting the special children whose IQ is a little low. The children are autistic. The children are slow learners. They have developmental, delays, and we have our team where we are already doing a lot of online trainings, the remedials they are going on. And what a beauty that we see when the parent is absolutely supportive. Definitely that communication needs to be there between the teacher and the parent. कहाँ आपको पुश करना, कहाँ आपको सॉरी कहाँ पुश करना, द वर्ड इज इटसेल्फ रॉन्ग. हमको वो पुश करना ही नहीं है, हमको फैसिलिटेट करना है. There's a big difference between pushing the child and facilitating the child. Facilitating the child means with love, with affection, with the acceptance that he probably doesn't want to answer that time. You just need to say, it's okay, bacha, thodi der baad bol dena. But I'm sure you don't want to do it. So, how you need to interact with the child at that course of time is again important. So, we need to be very, very, very patient, because parenting, the top list that is demanded is patience, and I'm still developing a lot of it. So yes, when it comes to responding, we have to be very patient. I would just say one thing: don't forget your past, don't forget your childhood. Be the parent that you wanted to have one.
Exactly, exactly. So I think all parents should have a clear concept of, as you said, facilitating and pushing. and we all need to be very patient and don't push the child, as you said, कि answer देना, बोलना, मैम क्या कर रही है, बताना, करवाना. So
I know.
it's ma'am, I think like in these online schooling also or any kind of classes also, if the child is learning 50% of it also, it's fine. It's
It's
fine.
fine, absolutely.
So at least they are learning, something better. So then, ma'am, we have lot of, compliments and one of them I said as a child, the question is there. So as a child psychologist, ma'am, what do you think if kids don't go to school? And what about their physical and social development? I mean, the outdoor activities that school takes and we can't do it at home for extracurricular activities. So this is one of the questions from our viewers. Ankita
Hmm.
Sethia put up this question.
Yes, see,
Should I?
definitely. Yeah, should I start?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, physical activity is important. Definitely, we cannot miss out on that. But at this time, we have to accept it that we cannot take the children outside. So again, there's no option. Abhi outdoor activities ke liye for a year there is no option. So how can you facilitate it at home? So do a little bit of yoga at home. Maybe if you have a terrace around, go there often. Have fun over there. You can play hide and seek. You can do a lot of things that you can do skipping. So let us consider that we are living our own generation. Did we in our schools have that much of extracurricular activities? No. No, I still remember. I was never kinesthetic intelligence kind of a person. I never would, go out on the ground. I would sit, at the corner of the ground, keep thinking that why do they run so much? So it's okay. I think everybody has their own likes and dislikes. So we need not first concentrate that every child has to do exercise or a particular kind of activity. When it comes to physical activity, any kind of activity that you can make available at home is fine. Any activity
And
that comes from the school,
yes,
because I'm sure school is also gonna give you that thing in the planning that please do this kind of a physical activity at home. Now again, if we all are concerned about the social and the physical activity in that limited space, what best can we give? We'll have to plan it amongst ourselves. So the school is also going to
exactly.
help you with that. And we also need to be creative and give a beautiful combination on that.
Exactly, Nidhi ma'am. In fact, I want to add here that when we were taking these online classes, we have done everything. We have done dance with the kids, we have done Zumba with the kids, and now, yoga and meditation and the jumping jacks with the kids, and then the skipping with the kids. And now we have, like, as we start from 1st of June, so we have a lot of plans. So, as whatever we were doing in the school, we are planning the same what we will be doing online, whether it is yoga, meditation, or mantras, or Hanuman Chalisa, or you name it, all the games. We are planning
Amazing.
football
I
also
must come
online.
to you, Nirupama, for my daughter, I'm sure.
Definitely, ma'am. And we are planning for basketball also, but that can be played from home. Just to give the idea to the parent, and then they can just do rocking things with the kids. So we have one here comment
Beautiful.
in the comment section that younger children are unable to connect online, and it is very difficult, ma'am. Just easy to say. So, Nidhi ma'am, here I would like to take up and tell to the parent that, ma'am, patience is all what it requires. When you give a very small child to us, when the child is of 2 years and 3 years, we only have patience and handle the child. Some kids take 1 month, some kids take 2 days, some kids take 15 days, and some kids might take 3 months. As one of my, a very near Tirtha, she took 3 months to settle down. But this is how it is. So it
Don't
is
you
all
think
about.
there have been times where children needed almost 2 years to adapt?
Yes, yes,
Two
yes, yes,
years to adapt to a school? We've got a
yes.
lot of cases because I'm in touch with so many principals, so many directors, and we have been discussing on and off again and again. Each child will react differently. Just as we react differently to each and every situation, each child will react differently. It's very easy to say I understand. It's very easy to say कि शादी कर लो. It's very easy to say कि नया business डाल दो. It is very easy to say नई city में shift हो जाओ. Look at the other side of the coin. अगर करना है तो करना ही है बॉस, कैसे भी कर
Yes.
सकते हो. So you have to give it time, you have to give that space to the child. And definitely the teachers are taking a lot of efforts to make it as interactive as possible. The only thing here I would mention that each and every home, whoever is watching us today right now, each and every of your home should be free of the negative thoughts about online parenting, online teaching.
Any kind
Because
of online teaching.
children, even if you are even if the child is sleeping and you're talking around कि पता नहीं ये online classes क्यों कर रहे हैं, the blame game or the negative thoughts जो भी हो रहा है, कि अरे बच्चे तो नहीं करने वाले, you think that the children are not listening to it, but children are listening to it. So उनके कंप्यूटर में कई बार वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में बैठ जाता है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आर नॉट गुड. So I always say unlearn and relearn. So you have to unlearn that adaptation is the only thing. I think every father in the home is still thinking, what next? It's everywhere. So why the
Everywhere.
doubt on education system?
I know. Where the teachers are working so hard, it is not easy, Dr. Nidhi, to, just create and come on the screen and be so confident, wherein, the parents are also looking, maybe their siblings and maybe the whole family is there behind the child. Wherein, the
Right.
teacher auditions every day, the teacher is giving the auditions. So
That's right.
I think side also that respect has to come, and that that gratefulness has to come for the effort which the schools are being they are putting up for taking these online classes.
Right.
So
Right.
ma'am, we have a lot of compliments, and I think we should end it here. And it was really a wonderful session of interaction with you, I think, which is
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And it has eliminated all the stress and queries in everyone's mind. And I hope it is definitely going to help the parents to let the child pursue the online schooling without having any kind of mental or emotional barrier. Before I end up this webinar, ma'am, I also want to add up here that the Evolving Minds Preschool is starting the online schooling, as I'm saying, from 1st of June to ensure the all-round development of the child even during the pandemic and the process of upgrading and educating ourselves in the field of education. And here, ma'am, I want to add that this is a golden opportunity for parents to now look into that. अच्छा class में ये teacher मेरे बच्चे के साथ करती क्या थी? And
I know.
so this is a wonderful opportunity for parents, wherein now, when teachers are coming at their home, they can look into कि हम कितना effort लेके कितना उससे हम एक
Actually,
कैसे लिखना और कैसे पढ़ना और कैसे उस
very
एक्टिविटी
true.
के थ्रू ले जाना. So that can be, I think this is a golden opportunity which maybe in the many years to come, now it will never come. So parents, please grab this opportunity, this golden opportunity, as in to go into the school now and what is being taught. So
True.
that
Very
is
true.
for this webinar. If any questions more are there, we can get back to you. You can WhatsApp, you can get connected to our Facebook page. And Nidhi ma'am, thank you so much for the insightful information. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nirupama, for inviting me. It was a wonderful experience. And again, parents, I would tell you, I know the amount of effort that she gives into, and I'm sure she's going to rock with the online classes as well. All the best, Nirupama. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care, ma'am. Bye-bye. Thank you. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.